Why y'all? Jingle bell inna your belly. Jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly. Jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 4. Yes, but why does it look like this outside? Like it's just bare fog, like everywhere. It's just bare fog. I don't understand. Anywho, I am going to the store. I'm going to the grocery store. I'm gonna go pick up some stuff to cook, and then I'm gonna go to the dollar store and see if I can get the selfie sticky thingy, and then come back home and see if I can start cook a little bit, because as I said, me I take my god pitney them out today. So go look on Santa Claus. Make we do road. I'll see you guys.
Many people don't know Vybz Cut is a Caribbean artist, but yes, so it has a background as well. But are you saying
if they've really changed? I would say yes. If they've really changed.
But would you be ready? Let's say you walk in next week.
So anyways, me go make a move and go up on the road now and go do what I have to do. It's 9:48. Dollar Tree opens at 10. So by the time I finish in the supermarket, I'm supposed to can reach over Dollar Tree and come back home, can do what I need to do. 10 o'clock, 10:30, I want there one because it's something to start 1 o'clock. So I probably reach there for 1. Anyways, let's go. Like it's bare fun. Fresh value. So this is what I gotta go and get. Yeah, so this is what I gotta get. I gotta get peppers, garlic, not garlic seasoning, but another garlic, peppers, and herb seasoning that I love. I forget peas, coconut milk, rice, carrots, a new mixing bowl, and barbecue sauce if it's on sale. Dark truth. This is Fresh Value, guys. This is where I come for my groceries. They have literally everything. And it's so close to home and it's so convenient. Okay, let us go and get my coconut milk. So this is the one that I like to use, the Dunn's River coconut milk. It's usually for 99 cents. That's what I like to use. Oh my god, there's a mushroom in here and I was looking for them the other day. Next, let's get the meats. This is what I want, some pork chops. Make some pork. Here's my pork, $10. $10. Jesus, I don't know how them do them something and I'm afraid. Jesus. Go to my friend. Cut my meat for me good here. Sanctions. I used to cut pork and cut pork, say you. Got my meats. Now for my seasoning. Garlic, pepper, and herbs. Come on, come on, come on. They don't have it. No garlic, pepper, and herb seasoning. On to the next. I need rice. Barbecue sauce is the next thing closest. Let's see what they have. So yeah, it's $1.99. And Diana, I know, is probably like pushing 3. So no to the barbecue sauce. No. And this one is amazing. And so is this one. Next, let's grab some peas. Sack truths. Mr. Goodas. How we say Goodas rice and peas and Goodas rice and peas away. Next, let me get my rice. Sack truth. Let me show one of the good rice. Them. Okay, this is the pearl basmati rice. It don't even necessarily have to be pearl, but basmati rice is the best rice ever. It's expensive, but it's so good. Now let me get my fruits and vegetables. No, my vegetable them and come out. I people them store. All right, so I'm done with the grocery store. That was fast. It's 10:05. I should be at Dollar Tree in like 5 minutes. So let's go there. I'm not gonna be able to vlog there for sure. I know that for a fact. But anyways, let's just go, okay? Hey guys, so I'm home. I came back home from the dollar store. And now I'm preparing for Sunday dinner. So on Sundays I do tons of cooking because I like to kind of not have to cook every day throughout the week now. So I'm gonna be making rice and peas. I'm gonna do like a jerk fish, barbecue wings, stewed pork. So welcome to the first episode of Zoe's Authentic Kitchen. Probably only be able to do these things on Sundays or whenever I feel like I'm cooking something different because I don't cook a lot of different meals. Just cook the same things on different days. But Sandy was like, girl, do it, show them, da 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 da. So just like whatever, I'll show. I think I've showed you guys how I do my pork before. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what meal I want to show you guys that I'm doing, or maybe I'll just show you a little bit of everything. And if there's one dish that you guys actually want to learn, then I'll do like a full video like on that. But I'm just gonna take you guys throughout the kitchen with me today and just show you what I do pretty much on Sundays. Right now I have my peas on the stove. I used an old pack and a new pack, so don't mind that there's like different colors in there. It's okay because when them all boil out, it's gonna be ton up. Yeah. Out the chicken wings and the fish. This me I go clean up and season up right now, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with everything else. By the time I done do this, then I should thaw out. Like this is pretty much thaw out. This I have a little bit more to go. So progress, my peas up boil.
J-O-P. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Everything is soaking in vinegar and lime. Yeah, it's been in there for a couple minutes now, so I'm gonna go take them out, rinse them off, and then season up everything. So I'll be back to show you guys what I put in my food, okay?
All right, so for seasoning, we're gonna keep it really simple. Just gonna add a little salt. Let me save the fish for last. Let me just do the meat with y'all. Some black pepper. Yeah, so we're gonna add the pimento from now. Then I got my garlic, pepper, and herbs. This is the seasoning that I was telling you guys about. See there, garlic, pepper, and herbs, yeah. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on. I'm not gonna put too much on right now because I'm gonna add a little bit more later on. Some paprika. I need to get a seasoning rack or something.
Okay, and then one key ingredient, I'll be right back. I'm gonna chop it up and come back. So to me, garlic is key. I gotta put garlic in just about literally everything, and like fresh grinded garlic. So from that to this. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna just add the garlic and some browning because I'm gonna brown these before I'm gonna stew them. And then in this, I add carrots, green onions, aka scallion. I add some thyme, and I think that was about it. And off camera, I did my fish. I add the jerk seasoning, garlic, salt, pepper, garlic, pepper, and herbs, some cayenne. I have some pimento in here, and then I'm gonna add the thyme inside of the fish. Sorry, inside of the fish, yeah. And then I'm just gonna steam these down, and then I have my green onions, carrots, and peppers to put on that. I missed the entire Santa Claus parade, okay? Let me tell you how the bus diverted and took me somewhere else, and then I had to walk so far, and then I ended up missing the entire parade. So by the time I reached here, there was nothing else to do, so we decided to have a little family day out. Yeah. Say hi, Lonnie.
Hi.
Hey. Take it out of your mouth and say hi. Say hi. So yes, out with the kitties, the god kitties today. and stuff like that. Me I catch up on little dramas and dates. You guys, if only you guys knew what's going on in life right now, like really and truly what's going on in life. You think you know would want to hug me up and kiss me up and just, you know, make me feel good and warm inside. What? It's what?
I cut all my hair.
Halfway done.
So pretty.
Halfway done.
All my hair.
I know, you guys, my baby, my one boy cut off all his hair. Wow. Who did it? Grandma?
No, my
What? Kim? Kim, no, Kim, you're going with things, but I have to give you your props. No, people, when me tell us that Kim did Wortless. When me said Wortless, when she used to say she did the pin in them ear, me used to have to wonder what is that? Like I was their savings grace, okay? Can you hold my camera for me? Can you record for me? Hold it properly. Hold it with 2 hands. Yeah.
Vlogger.
Yes. Tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're showing them. Tell them. Say, who is that?
Who is that?
This is Zari.
Pass me that, Sean.
It's Jason.
That's Zoeshaaa.
Sorry.
Girl.
What's on the left?
Where is it? Where do you put it?
Kim.
And what are you guys doing?
Vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Vlogging.
You're vlogging.
Vlogging.
Tell them you're eating. What are you eating?
Pizza.
Show them.
Vlogger.
And what are you
Vlogging,
gonna? What are you gonna drink? What are you gonna drink? Ray. Okay, you can eat now. Good, I got that. So my goddaughter says she's vlogging. Hold it properly. Jesus.
Vlog, Sean. Vlog.
Hi guys, this is Kim. This is Zoe. And this is Zoe. And this is Zoe. What's what I'm eating?
Ray.
Done.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of you.
Over there.
I'm so proud of you. Guys, I am home. I'm gonna mash up the pork right now. All right. So those are in there. We're just gonna brown on each side. And then for this, for the wings now, I'm just gonna fling them in a warm pan. Go oil, little water. No, just put little oil. It will produce its own gravy or liquid or whatever. And I'm gonna leave that in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna cook it unwrapped. Anyways, me come back. So yeah, I'm gonna put the something them in the pan. I'm gonna just put little oil in there. It already was in its own little gravies or whatever. So now I'm gonna cover this with foil paper and put this in the oven for 45 minutes on 350 degrees, okay? I like mine to be black, okay? Not burn up. Sometimes I don't mind them too burn up or whatever. So now I just added my last little bit of water to this. I'm gonna make it boil up a little bit, then I'm gonna start adding my seasonings, my milk, and stuff like that. So we'll be back for the, oh, this is the rice and peas, okay? Pork, rice and peas. And I didn't show you guys the finished product of the fish. That was my jerk fish. I had just put some butter in a pan. Not a pan, butter in the frying pan, and let that, boil out a little, not boil out, but melt out a little bit. Then I added the fish, let that steam, added some water, then added my vegetables, and there you go. So now next, I'm gonna make my side. I always like to have sides, so I'm gonna make coleslaw tonight. These are the key ingredients what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna chop up this, and grate this.
Science again. Pokemon scan from your art team to the Pokemon scan.
Anyways, me go do this. So I'm gonna chop up the stuff, come back and show you guys how to mix it to get coleslaw my way. Okay? Alright guys, so for the rice and peas, for my seasoning, very basic, very simple. Gonna add some salt. We're gonna add some pimento, and we're gonna come in and we're gonna add some black pepper. Then we're gonna add the milk. I'm gonna put one in one. Okay. So you can mix it and see if you need to add anything else. I'm gonna put a little bit more milk in there. Hold on. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more milk. Yeah. See that seasoning? Yes, goodie. And then I still gotta add my garlic, pepper, and herbs. So add a little bit of that. A Scotch bonnet pepper, a boss, and some scallion. And I'm gonna make that just, you know, come to a boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my rice. And then when I add my rice, I'm gonna add my butter. And that is it for my rice and peas. Yes, goodie talk true. Look on that. My daddy says season your food, and me says season food. So because my daddy season food, so me have to season food. So yeah, yo. So guys, I went ahead and added my rice. As you can see, my rice is added. My stove is now turned down. So this is just gonna cook up a little bit now. I'm just gonna add my butter and let this steam and do its thing until I realize that all like the rice, the water I'll go in. Then I'm gonna add my little foil paper and make it steam down. Yeah, we used to cook food and cook food. So time, you can't forget the time, okay? Yeah. First things, you gotta cut up your carrot, your I was gonna say cottage cheese. Sandy, get the fuck out of my head. Your cabbage and your purple onions. You're gonna add your sugar, vinegar, and your mayonnaise, and then you're just going to stir. You can add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper as well. And that's what it will look like when it's done. It may be a little bit watery when you first make it, but once you leave it in the fridge and let it like form or soak into what it needs to soak into, it will be creamy and nice. I always tell people, if you want it to be more creamier, add more mayo. If you want it to be more tangy, add more vinegar. And if you don't want it to be so not necessarily thick, but like to have like a nice kind of gravy for running out your eyes, add more vinegar. If you want it creamy and nice for running out your eyes, then you add more mayo, and that's the way I like it. So that's my chicken once it's come out of the oven. So now I'm just gonna smother it in some sauce and put it back in to cook unwrapped. Jingle bell in your belly. And my rice and peas done, people. Upon that. This is seasoning in that. Yes, good. Yes, rice and peas for authentic. Talk truth. Pork aguan. Yes, good. But anyways, that's pretty much it, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. When me done share out my food and ready for eat, me come back and tell her now or show her now. But as of right now, yeah, that's about it. So I will catch you guys when I was about to say bye, but I'll catch you guys when I share out my food, and then yeah.
Just like when Christmas a come,